The Meals at Camp You Have a Role to Play workshop is designed to inform counselors about being role models to help create a pleasant atmosphere during mealtimes at camp, to get counselors to reflect on their current behavior and what they could do differently, and to encourage campers to adopt healthy eating habits during meals at camp. This workshop can also be used for counselor training. Here are a few tips for leading the workshop. Before the workshop, be sure to read the statements, relate the situations to past experiences, and schedule about 30 minutes for the workshop itself. First, present the activity and explain how the activity relates to the training. Then, for each situation, read the statement and ask counselors to explain their answers. If the counselors agree with the statement, they have to do the chicken dance. If they somewhat agree, hop like a frog. If they somewhat disagree, stand on one leg like a flamingo. If they disagree, walk sideways like a crab. Divide the counselors into groups according to their answers. Give the counselors time to explain their answers to each other. Read the key messages and read what to remember. Concluding the workshop, talk to the counselors about their impressions. Present the Meals at Camp Operation Eat poster found at the end of the document. You can also display it where the workshop is held. There you go, and don't forget to have fun.